When we talk about memory in programming for the CPU, we mainly talk about RAM, that's random access memory. And of course, there are other types of memory. You might have, I don't know, SSDs or hard drives for long-term storage, and you obviously have your CPU registers. Now, in CUDA, the situation is slightly different because there are several different types of memory that you might in a way equate with random access memory, and all of these types of memory have their own performance characteristics and programming mechanic, and obviously all of them have a purpose in the CUDA ecosystem. So I want to take you back to a diagram that we've already seen. Now this slide is interesting for us because it demonstrates where the different types of memory actually reside, and also the pointy arrows show us which part of the architecture can read what data. And obviously one thing that's not shown here is the host memory and whether the CPU can read it. But as you remember, this is what we've got CUDA for. So its API actually lets us read and write to device memory. One thing you'll notice about this diagram is the two new arrows that I've added. And when we talk about constant and texture memory, I'll explain what these actually mean. So in this module, we're going to talk about all the different types of memory presented here, what these types of memory are actually used for, and how to work with them.